Hello everyone and welcome back to Lake Nomad. I'm William Walker. Please excuse the dogs. I don't know what's going on with the neighbor's dogs, but they just won't stop. Today we're going to be making some frogs. So I had a recent video that did really well, especially for me, with like 1.9 million views. So thank you. But I got an order for those same frogs that I made in that video. And it turned out that it was Tanner from Chasing the Outdoors, which is another person who does YouTube. So I'm gonna be making them for him. And he ordered two other colors as well that I may have made one of them, but I know I have not made the purple and blue that they've asked for. So anyway, I'm gonna get down to it. So here's the mold we're gonna be using. This is the Epic Bait Molds Freakin' Frog. I did upgrade to this 6 cavity recently and it has saved me so much time. So the first thing to do, I need 2 cups of plastic at 350 degrees because this is a laminate. For this first set, I was asked to do an electric blue over a black grape color with a lot of glitter in the purple side. So I'm going to use flip and blue on top, and then for this bottom side, I'm going to be using black grape with purple glitter and then silver glitter as well. I'll also add some blue glitter to that. Now that this plastic is hot, what I really need to do, because I see some bubbles in here, is put it in a vacuum chamber, which will suck out all the air around the plastic, which will draw the bubbles of moisture inside here to the top and pop them, so I have clear plastic. I've already added the pigments here, but then I'm putting in the flake. I like to put the flake in last so it doesn't curl so bad. So that was the silver for the purple side, and then I put the purple in right before I shoot it because that color tends to kind of fade and bleed a little bit more, so I don't want to do that. And then here's the blue for that blue side. Now that I got all the colors in, what I really need to do is check the temperatures on these because I need them both to be the same temperature so they have the same viscosity so that they laminate right, so I don't have a big swirl in them. Once I know those are really close in temperature, then I can actually drop my plastic and inject it into this really big Epic Bait Molds frog mold. I had to put a lot of clamps on this one. It's a lot of surface area. All right, let's see how we did. So the belly side came up top. I can see they're all purple. What's really cool is you can see in the tails that purple and blue on the other side kind of play off each other and make kind of a new color, which is why I love laminate so much. And there you go, there's the blue side. Everything is where it's supposed to be. Here's a better look in the daylight. You can see the laminate went right down the middle, all the way down, even through the little paddle feet. So probably one of my better runs that I've done in a while. And next was the popular color that I did recently. Someone asked me to call this color caramel apple, and I think that honestly is perfect. So from now on, I'm just going to refer to this color as caramel apple. It's that green chartreuse belly with that brown pumpkin top. And these came out really well too. A few more swirls than I did with the last ones, but definitely still a really, really nice laminate. One thing I love about this new mold is that it feels like I'm holding so many baits at one time after I open them up. That's just insane. For the last set, I was told to just make a surprise color. So I went ahead and did a belly of vitamin C, which is a color that I love, and then an avocado top. And then in that avocado top, I'm gonna go ahead and do some large black, and then some like medium golden orange, and then also some very small blue. Once I made sure both of these plastics were the same temperature, I went ahead and injected them into my mold. And here's how the batch turned out. And all the colors are on one side, so that is good. That means the bottom should be orange, and it was. So that means good temperatures and a really good run. That vitamin C is just so cool. I can't decide if it's orange, yellow, or gold sometimes. It's just so cool, especially in the sunlight. All in all, I think this was a really good set of 4 bags. I'm really happy with all the laminates on these. This purple and blue is really unique. I definitely had never made that color before in frogs, so that was a fun one to do. The caramel apple, just one of my favorite colors to use myself as well. And then again, this is one that I make in swim baits a lot that I just absolutely think is a really cool combo. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thanks for sticking around even through all the background noise here. Well, I really hope that Tanner finds some good fish with this. If you haven't already, you should go find his channel. I should have it linked underneath if I can figure it out. I'm not the most technologically prestigious person for sure. But yeah, thank you guys again, and I hope you guys have a great new year.